Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, hello, my name is Shikha and I make fashion and lifestyle videos and also sometimes home projects in this channel. So if you are somebody interested in these topics, please consider subscribing. And today is exciting because finally we are going to transform our guest room. It's a decent size room, not very huge, and since we have done like a lot of wood projects in past, I thought let's keep the bedroom, the guest bedroom simple and just go with the wallpaper. And I chose this beautiful wallpaper. This is how this looks. It's a printed one. This is the print we are going for, and the wallpaper comes in 9 panels like this, and this is pre-cut, so I feel like that will be really easy for us to put on. The dominant color in this one is green, so there is like lot of colors from green family, and right now I feel like I'm going through a phase where I am like obsessed with green color. I have lot of green tones in my house, as you can see over there. I have evergreen fog from Sherwin-Williams, and if you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna link that over here so that you can go ahead and have a look. We gave this whole dining room a makeover and I'm totally loving how the color turned out. It's been like 8 months since I've done that, and every time I look at this wall I feel like, oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm still obsessed. So love the color, and I'm gonna insert a clip of how our guest bedroom looks like. First off, let's look at the supplies and tools we need, and yeah, I'm super excited to give the guest bedroom full transformation, so let's do it. These are the tools we need. So first off, obviously we need the wallpaper, which is here, and then we need this wallpaper paste. This is just for smoothing. This is a smoothing tool which I got. We need a brush so that we can spread the paste evenly, seam roller, pencil, this is a cutting knife, and then this is a laser level, and we have 2 other levels. This is a small one and the big one, just to ensure that we are placing the wallpaper straight. We have some push pins and a roller for the glue, tray for the glue. So first off, we are going to mix this in 4 liters of water, which is 1 US gallon. Okay guys, so we have mixed the paste and we mixed it using a whisk, and then we have to let it sit for 5 minutes and then stir it again, and then this is ready to use. So we have cut the panel and placed underneath to see the measurements and everything are perfect. So highly recommend ordering an extra panel. So as you can see over here, we have 1.5 panel extra. So if in case we make any mistakes, we will have something extra to work with. And I really like this one because they have mentioned the numbers, like this is the 3rd one, this is the 4th one. So basically I do not have to remember which panel goes where. So we are starting from that corner. So we are going to use a laser level to ensure the line is straight, and just to be sure, we used a pencil and we drew a line from top to bottom just to ensure the panel is like going straight. So this is how the paste is supposed to look like. The consistency is thicker. Okay, so the top part is done, as you can see. So we are going like portion by portion so that the glue doesn't dry out. One thing, you want to make sure that you are using generous amount of glue, because we were using very light hands initially and it was not sticking. So make sure that you're using generous amount of glue. There is a laser level already, but still we are making sure using a level that the wallpaper is straight. Okay guys, so one panel is done and we cut the bottom part using X-Acto knife. And another thing which came in handy was this squeezy to smoothen the wallpaper, and this just ensured that there was no air bubbles inside. So definitely recommend grabbing one of these. This one was also good, but this one was easier to hold and press, so I really like this using this one. also this is the electrical outlet we had. So we made a cut over there. We just cut it diagonally, and then we're going to use like X-Acto knife like this and remove this. So I just wanted to show you that. And also I want to mention the gum it comes with, it's like super strong. So we got late when we were placing the first panel. We had no idea how strong it's going to be. So I think it was just there for like 2 to 3 hours, and look what it did to the drywalls. So we are going to patch this, sand this, and then paint this to the same wall color. Yeah, be like super quick in removing the excess wallpaper. In this corner over here, we removed it very quickly, and as you can see there is no damage to the wall, so you want to be mindful of that. This is done, and I can't believe how just a simple, not simple actually, just a wallpaper can transform the space. Yeah, I'm gonna clean all the mess we have created over here, and then I'm gonna show you the final clip. But yeah, overall this looks absolutely stunning. So let me just clear out this mess. Alright you guys, so this project is over and I'm really happy with how this came out. I feel like it adds a really nice detail to this room. As I said earlier, this room was fairly smaller, and yeah, that's the reason why we didn't want to do like any woodworks. I'm really happy with what I chose. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and also I'll be styling this whole guest room pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. And let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below, and I really hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.